Rolex, a brand synonymous with luxury, precision, and timeless style. And among all the masterpieces Rolex has created, few have reached the iconic status of the Rolex Daytona. Today, we're taking you inside the process of how this legendary watch is made, revealing the craftsmanship, technology, and dedication that go into every single piece. This isn't just any watch. It's a masterpiece of engineering, artistry, and heritage that has captured the hearts of watch enthusiasts and collectors around the world. To understand why the Rolex Daytona is so revered, we must trace it back to its origins. Introduced in 1963, the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona was designed specifically for racing drivers. It was named after Daytona Beach, Florida, which was famous for high-speed car races. Over the years, it has evolved into a symbol of speed, precision, and luxury, often found on the wrists of celebrities, athletes, and collectors. But what makes the Daytona unique isn't just its legendary status, it's the meticulous craftsmanship and precision engineering that go into creating each piece. Known for its tachymeter scale and chronograph functions, it allowed drivers to measure speed and time-lapse, a necessity in high-speed racing. Today, this heritage piece has become a symbol of both elegance and adventure. But what does it take to create a Daytona that meets Rolex's high standards of accuracy and durability? It all starts with the sourcing of precious materials. Rolex has its own foundry, meaning they control the quality and sourcing of the materials used in their watches. This ensures that every Daytona, whether made of steel, gold, or platinum, has the durability and appearance that Rolex is famous for. Rolex uses high-quality 904L oyster steel, 18-karat gold, and platinum. The 904L stainless steel isn't your average metal. Rolex uses it because it's highly resistant to corrosion and is exceptionally durable. It's a unique choice in the watchmaking industry, giving Rolex watches their signature sheen and resilience. This commitment to quality ensures each watch is corrosion-resistant, strong, durable, and capable of maintaining its luster for years. But it's not just about durability. Rolex's choice of materials also plays a huge role in the look and feel of the watch. This metalwork is all about crafting a piece that's both a technical tool and a luxury item. The beauty of the Daytona watch is its case, made to withstand the most demanding conditions. Rolex has developed its proprietary processes to shape and polish each case, ensuring it not only looks flawless, but can endure extreme wear and tear. For oyster steel cases, each piece is meticulously forged and then polished, resulting in that mirror-like finish Rolex watches are known for. This process is demanding and requires highly skilled artisans. The same meticulous care goes into the bracelets, which are crafted to be both durable and comfortable on the wrist. The Daytona also features Rolex's patented oyster lock clasp, which provides a secure closure and prevents accidental opening. This clasp alone goes through dozens of steps to perfect its smooth opening and closing mechanism. One of the standout features of the Daytona is its tachymeter bezel. The tachymeter scale on the bezel allows drivers to measure average speeds over a given distance. For modern Daytonas, Rolex uses a Cerachrom bezel, a proprietary ceramic material that is scratch-resistant and fade-resistant. Crafting this bezel involves a specialized process. First, the Cerachrom material is shaped and then laser engraved with the tachymeter scale. The numbers are then coated with a thin layer of platinum to enhance durability and readability. This attention to detail ensures the bezel remains as striking and functional decades later as it was on day one. The dial of a Rolex Daytona is more than just a face. It's a canvas that merges beauty with functionality. Each dial is crafted with absolute precision using materials like 18-karat gold appliques and chromalite, Rolex's own luminescent material. The dial production process is a delicate art form. Each index is meticulously applied by hand, and the chronograph subdials are carefully placed to ensure perfect balance and readability. Rolex uses a unique electroplating process to color the dials, achieving the signature vibrant shades of black, white, and sometimes even exotic colors like green and blue. The famous Rolex crown at the 12 o'clock position is placed with such accuracy that even a slight misalignment would make the dial unusable. Every aspect of the dial is checked multiple times to ensure it meets the highest standards of legibility and elegance. The Daytona's case also plays a crucial role in its iconic status. Known as the oyster case, it's waterproof up to 100 meters, offering protection for the delicate movement inside. Each case is stamped, polished, and inspected to ensure it can endure everyday wear and extreme conditions alike. Now, let's get into the heart of the Daytona, which is its powerhouse, the caliber 4130, a self-winding chronograph movement developed and crafted entirely by Rolex. This is the heart of the Daytona. The creation of the movement is perhaps the most complex part of making a Daytona. Rolex uses state-of-the-art machinery to manufacture each component, but it also relies on skilled watchmakers to assemble, adjust, and test the movement. The caliber 4130 contains fewer components than many other chronograph movements, enhancing its reliability and reducing the chance of malfunctions. The fewer parts mean greater reliability, which is a hallmark of Rolex. One of the innovations in the caliber 4130 is the vertical clutch, which allows for a more precise start and stop of the chronograph. This is critical for measuring time in races. The movement also includes Rolex's Parachrom hairspring, a blue alloy that resists magnetic fields and temperature changes, keeping the watch accurate even in extreme conditions. Each movement is assembled by hand by expert watchmakers and tested rigorously to meet Rolex's superlative chronometer certification. This certification guarantees a level of accuracy that few watches in the world can match. After assembly, every Rolex Daytona undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Rolex's demanding standards. Each watch is subjected to a series of waterproofing tests, including a high-pressure test to simulate underwater conditions. The Daytona is rated waterproof to a depth of 100 meters, but Rolex tests it to even greater depths to guarantee reliability. Rolex also conducts a precision test. The Daytona is a certified Swiss chronometer, meaning it passes the Swiss Official Chronometer Testing Institute (COSC) standards. But Rolex goes beyond COSC testing by subjecting each watch to further accuracy tests to ensure it runs within -2 to +2 seconds per day. Every Daytona is also inspected for aesthetics. Any slight imperfection means the watch is either corrected or discarded, ensuring that only flawless watches make it to market. This relentless attention to quality allows Rolex to offer a 5-year warranty on every Daytona, a bold statement in the luxury watch industry and almost unheard of in the luxury watch world. Once the Daytona passes all tests, it moves to the final assembly stage. Here, the watch is carefully fitted with its dial, hands, bezel, and bracelet. The crown and pushers are also tested one last time to make sure they function perfectly. Finally, each watch is cleaned, polished, and packed in a signature Rolex green box. This final step is symbolic, the completion of a watch that embodies the highest standards of watchmaking. The Daytona's journey from raw materials to a finished masterpiece is a testament to Rolex's dedication to excellence. From start to finish, the making of a Rolex Daytona is a journey in itself. It's a symbol of craftsmanship, precision, and prestige, qualities that have made this watch a legend. Each step of the manufacturing process reflects Rolex's dedication to perfection, combining traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. This is what makes the Daytona so special and why it's adored by collectors and racing enthusiasts alike. So, next time you see a Daytona on someone's wrist, you'll know just how much went into creating that masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating craftsmanship behind luxury goods like the Rolex Daytona watch, you will love to see the craftsmanship behind the iconic Chanel handbags. Don't forget to watch that video and also let us know in the comments which iconic item you'd like us to explore next.